Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. How is everyone today? Well, I'm a day late, but life happens and that's okay. I was supposed to have posted this yesterday, but you're getting it today. Today, I am announcing Shannon and I's collaboration with our Film to Fiber. And I hope you liked the thumbnail. It kind of hinted to the movie that we are doing. If you haven't seen Shannon's video yet, did the thumbnail give it away? Did you guess what our Film to Fiber is? If not, if you're still curious, here it is. We are using the film Some Like It Hot. Jack Lemmon. Um, well, good night. I'm Tony, thank you. It's right there in front of me. Jack Lemmon, Marilyn Monroe, and Tony Curtis. This movie is hilarious, you guys. If you've never watched it, I encourage you to check this movie out. It is so funny. I don't want to get into the details of the movie because we'll probably talk about that um, on when we reveal our projects. And that reveal is going to be June the 26th. Shannon and I will go live together at 8 p.m. Central and 9 Eastern to reveal what we've made. So if you're new to my channel and you've never watched our Film to Fiber, Shannon and I do this every so often through the year. And what we do is we pick out a film that we both really like and we make something that has inspired us from that film. We do not tell each other what we've made, and we don't know what the other person has made until we go live and reveal our projects. So, excuse me, I'm so sorry. If you have watched this film and you know all about it, I would love it if you would go into the comments and comment what you think I'm making for Some Like It Hot. I have a pretty neat idea. I cannot wait uh, to get started on it. I cannot wait to show you guys what it is that I'm making. I think you're going to really like it. I think it's a cool idea. So, but yeah, in the comments, I'd love to know what you think it is. I have been a longtime fan of Tony Curtis and of Jack Lemmon. I, they are all time favorite comedians, favorite actors. I love, love, love their movies. And this was my idea. Some Like It Hot is my all time favorite of their movies that they've ever made. It is set back in the 20s. Um, and they play in a band, and not to give the whole movie away, but the band that they're in, they're out of a job, they're looking for a new job, and something comes up that they want to be a part of, and there's some things they have to do to be a part of this band, and I'm not going to tell you what that is. You will have to watch the movie. Unless you've already seen it, you're going to have to watch the movie to see. And some of the things that they get into during this movie is hilarious. So yeah, it's a great movie. I love it. Shannon is so much better at describing movies and giving you the fun facts and details, so I know she'll probably talk about that in her video. But I just wanted to pop on here and let you know to stay tuned because Shannon and I are starting our projects that are based on the movie Some Like It Hot. Um, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share with you guys what I'm making. Uh, just a real quick update for for the channel too. Um, I am doing Battle of the Stitches again. I'm getting back into it. This month, we are doing, let me see. Let me look it up. I didn't have it pulled up. Where is it? I can't think of the name of the stitch. So I've got to pull it up. Um, okay, we're doing the boxed fan stitch. Now I don't have that book with me to show you what it looks like. But that will be tomorrow's video. I will come on and show you. But what we're doing is for the month of May, since Heather and I both had knee replacement surgery, the beginning of the, a few weeks ago, I just lost my train of thought. Sorry. Oh, we're not doing the normal Battle of the Stitches this month. She's been just putting it on Facebook, and if you want to participate, you make something and post a picture to our Facebook page. We are still doing that this month. So you can make something with the boxed fan stitch and post it. Heather at Strings and Threads has already put up a video on how to do that stitch, so make sure you watch her tutorial. But starting in June, I will be back every Wednesday for Battle of the Stitches. And if you would like to join us for the June Battle of the Stitches, I will show you real quick. I actually have a picture of the June stitch. The June stitch is fan lace, and this is the stitch for June. It's called the fan lace. I hope you all can see that. Beautiful, beautiful stitch. So if you would like to join Heather and I to battle it out in June with the fan stitch, let me know. And tomorrow's video, I will go into more detail about what you need to, or not tomorrow. Yes, sorry, I'm getting my days mixed up. Tomorrow's video, I will explain to you, for those of you that are new, what Battle of the Stitches is all about. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I'm getting back into Battle of the Stitches. I'm doing another film to fiber with Shannon. And so I'm starting to feel better enough to get back into doing more things on my channel. So stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow for an updated video about Battle of the Stitches. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. My knee surgery is going well. And PT was a little rough. This has been rough this week. I have a muscle in my calf that is not behaving itself and will not relax. It's as tight as a drum, and so PT has been horrific. So I'm hoping that that settles down soon. And so yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Make sure, remember, in the comments, let me know, what project do you think I'm going to make that goes along with the movie Some Like It Hot. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. I feel like I'm rambling. So I'm going to stop right here and get off, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're having a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.